Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 20th, 2025, we're diving deep into Litecoin, LTCUSD, examining both recent news and its chart data to give you a comprehensive market overview. First, let's address current events and news. Based on recent Google searches, there's a lot of buzz around potential Litecoin ETFs, with Canary Capital's spot ETF application gaining traction with the SEC. This, along with a pro-crypto stance from President Trump, could fuel a bullish sentiment. However, remember the market's volatility and the Fed's recent decisions, with investors ditching U.S. stocks due to waned bullish sentiment, but cryptocurrency showing gains. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart to analyze price action. We can see a significant surge starting around late February 2024, peaking in early April, followed by a retracement. The most recent candle shows a substantial move upwards, indicating renewed buying interest. This could be related to positive sentiment around the potential ETF approval, coinciding with the bullish sentiment. Now, let's narrow in on the area starting November 2024 and ending in March 2025. This is where much of the action happened that led us to where we are today. You'll notice we went from roughly $70 all the way up to almost $140, then corrected to around $100, but has generally been climbing in 2025. Zooming into the last week, we see LTCUSD has been volatile, reflecting the broader market uncertainty. The big green candle representing yesterday's trading action shows a strong upward move, but it's important to see if it can hold. This may be fueled by news regarding the Litecoin ETF approval process, but be careful about assuming anything, as ETF approval is not guaranteed. Let's take a look at the hourly chart to get a shorter-term perspective. We see some consolidation and a struggle to stay above the $90 range. If LTCUSD breaks above and holds the $94 mark, we could see a move towards $100. However, failure to hold above $90 could signal a retest of lower support levels. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see very granular price action. It's clear Litecoin still has fairly small volume at the moment, and we can see a support level of around $91.3. Given the current market conditions and the upcoming ETF decision, it's wise to be prepared for both bullish and bearish outcomes. If the price breaks above 94, with strong volume, a target of $100 is reasonable, which I'd put at about 30% likelihood. If the price falls below $90, look for a test of $85. I'd say that's about 20% likely. The most likely outcome, at about 50%, is that we stay in this general range. In summary, watch out for these key levels: resistance at $94 and support at $90. These levels are key. Keep an eye on developments around the Canary Capital ETF, the approval of which would reinforce the likelihood of Litecoin increasing to $100 or higher. That's all for today's analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth market breakdowns. See you next time.